Hi there, this side Viren. Today we are trying to discuss our hackering problem and the name of problem is for loop. And you might be see the difficulty here that it is easy, and if you are able to solve this question and you will get 10 point for that. You can see that I have 250 point in C++ lab and I am become 5 star. Yeah, you can also become 5 star if you can follow my video strictly. So let us discuss about this problem. These are given some general discussion for loop. If you are unaware about this concept, then you can go for it. We are just simply skip it right now. And here we are given a input format that you will given a two positive integer a and b separated by a new line. So we have to make consider this point in our mind while doing coding, and we have to print answer according to this format. So n lie between a and b, and if n is less than or greater than 1 or less than 9, then we can print 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, and so on up to 9. And if n is greater than 9, I mean if it is even, then we will print even, and it is odd, then we will print odd. It may possible for 6 it is we print even, and it may possible that came 4, then we will also be print even, and it came 3 5 this all number, then we will print 9. Here it is given had 8 has a and 11 has a b, so this will came output. Let us discuss in my notepad. Yeah, so here a is given 8 and we have to go till 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So according to question it is given that, yeah, here it is given that if n is lie between 1 and 9, we have to print word for that number, and n is greater than 9 or it is even, then we print even. Yo, so same concept we are implementing here also. 8 is even number as you all know, then we will print 8 in word. 9 is also 9 is equal to n is equal to 9, so we'll print 9 as a word for that. And now afterward 9 we will check even odd. Yeah, 10 is even, so according to it we print even. 11 is odd, so according to it we will print odd. So our final answer is 8, 9, even, odd, that you might see here. Yeah, so our concept was right. So I also take one another example for it. This is, here I take a has 5 and b has 9. So according to the output format we have to print like this. Yes, a is lies, we'll take n as 5 right now, so 5 is less than 9, so we will print 5 in word, and we go till 9, so everything was less than 9 here, and last element is equal to 9, so we print word for every element. So our answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This was answer. Here I take another example. Here I take a as 10 and b as 15. So you might notice that 10 is greater than 9, right? So we will check even odd for this case right now. So we will print odd. Nah, it is incorrect. We print even for 10. Yes, we print even for 10, and now we check 11 for, so 11 is odd, so we print odd for it, and so on up till 15 we can print according to it. So let us see this concept on our coding part. So yes, I do like this in code. So here you can see that I take two variable a and b and take input in new line as said in input section, and I run for loop for a I is equal to a till b. It might case that b is smaller than 9, so I use AND here also, and if it is b is greater than 9, so it will run for 9 till 9 only. So yeah, and every time I check the value of I, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, so it will print according to it. If it will be 9, then it will print 9 inward. and I again use another for loop here. Here you can see that I is equal to 10 and I is less than equal to b. Here this will for loop will run when b will become greater than 9. So yes, will become 15, then this will run, otherwise this for loop will not run because this condition will not satisfy for that I is greater less than equal to b. So yeah, in this example this for loop will run because I is greater than 9 and it will print even because 10 is even, and now I become 11 and it will print odd. So let us try to run this code and see what output we'll get. Yeah, we'll get correct output here. Let's try to submit this code and see if it will pass all the test cases or not. And yeah, you can see that we will pass every test cases and we get congratulation message also. So yeah, this is was the simple explanation of this code. I think you might all understand the concept what I am saying. Okay, thank you for watching this video.